If nothing changes, where will you be 6 months from now? Hi, my name is Suzette. I'm a personal transformation and mindset coach. I help people from all around the world who find it challenging to achieve personal or professional goals, even when taking the right steps. If nothing changes, where will you be 6 months from now? But I want you to really think about this. If nothing changes, where does your current path lead? Because for most people, it looks like this: same routine, same thoughts, same habits, same frustrations, waking up with the same intentions, but ending the day feeling like nothing really moved. And deep down, you know it. And that's the direction that you are currently heading in. Not because you are incapable, not because you are not trying, but because nothing internally has shifted. You are putting in the effort, but your thinking is the same. Your patterns are the same. Your approach is the same. And the truth is, the same input creates the same output. So be honest with yourself. If you keep doing exactly what you were doing right now, what exactly changes? Probably nothing. And that's not meant to discourage you. It's meant to wake you up. Because awareness is the first step to change. Here's what most people misunderstand. Change doesn't come from time. It comes from intentional shifts. You don't get different results just because you pass time. You get different results because you change something. And if you truly want to change your direction, there are 4 things that you need to shift. Number 1, clear thinking. You need to become aware of your thoughts, because if your thoughts are filled with doubt, you will hesitate, you will overthink, you will hold yourself back. Number 2, clear direction. You need to know exactly what you want, not vague ideas, but clear, defined outcomes. Number 3, aligned action. Your daily actions must match your goals, not just being busy, but being intentional. Number 4, you need to trust the process, because when you don't, you start forcing, you start doubting, and then you quit too early. So let me say this again. If nothing changes, then nothing changes. Not in 6 months, not in a year, not ever. And this is the reality that most people avoid because it requires ownership. But this is also where your power lies. So if you resonate with this content, like, subscribe, and comment change. That way you and I can hold each other accountable to make this our best and most successful year yet.